What does it mean when a machine says sorry? One of the most intriguing aspects of interacting with ChatGPT is its register of confidence. The model speaks in a tone of certainty, even when its response is factually wrong. When an error is revealed, the apology is usually a brief sorry followed by a swift continuation, almost as if the repair move were purely procedural, not genuinely relational. From a linguistic perspective, this makes sense. Large language models train on publicly available texts, the majority of which reflect male-authored discourse. These texts tend to exhibit more assertive, less mitigated registers of speech. In other words, the confidence we often hear in ChatGPT is not accidental, it is statistically inherited. Interestingly, preliminary observations suggest that female users are more likely to feel unsettled by this style of response. The combination of unwavering certainty and perfunctory apology can come across as dismissive, even when no offense is intended. This opens fascinating questions at the intersection of computational linguistics, gendered communication, and human-AI interaction. How do apology strategies in AI reflect, and reinforce, gendered norms in language? Should we design models that can shift register more adaptively across different audiences? And, perhaps most importantly, what does sounding sincere even mean for a machine? AI does not just process language, it reproduces the social dynamics embedded in it.